Maayong buntag. This is Kasoy and Dumlog Group, welcoming you to General Climaco Malubog Dam Fish Cage. Mabuhay!
Toledo, Toledo,
Welcome to Fish Cage sa Kasoy.
Located at General Climaco, Toledo City. Visit us!
here we are sa nindot nga lugar, kabulawan ng iyang kasilaw, mga higala duawon ka. The Power City, hashtag Toledo, it's a paradise. Ang makita mo, explore this wonderful place. Wasama ang kanindot mo, Toledo.
May buntag sa tanan, ako din si Alti Guti, kung edad kay 30. Kuyo diri sa General Climaco, dan 1 year na ko diri nga nagtrabaho, din akong experience diri kay napupoy nakatunan diri nagpisa sa pagatiman sa mga isda. Sa ngayon nga buhaton. Nagtrabaho diri kay ng vlog isda. So magbuan sa mga meat, mga buslot, para isda mga dili mga kabuhot. Sapod kay magbantay ko dito. Biscuit para awir sa mga hilabot. Kani din gibuhi diri nga kuan na biscuit is mga tilapia din siya. Ang purpose ani kay kuan sa taliya negosyo niya ito sa mga tao. Kani din kay na PC kuan ni sa pundo sa biscuits gibutangan ni siya og kanang semento ibusay sa semento. Dili makadbad sa hangin o sa bawod.
I'm Mr. Car Caparida, a public school teacher of General Climaco National High School located at General Climaco, Toledo City. I'm also a simple fisherman who raised tilapia at Malubog Lake here in General Climaco. I have a fish cage as a source of an income, another source of income. It is made of GI pipe, 1.5 in diameter, with float, styro float. We also use clubs for fastening the pipe. We use pipe because defend for the typhoon. So because using clubs and metals, it's sturdy compared to bamboo. Tilapia grows within 120 days to 150 or 4 to 5 months rearing. Fingerlings is from the Bureau of Fisheries, given by the government to all fishermen who needs. I started since 2016. First, it's made of bamboo, but because of some calamities like typhoon, I changed my bamboo to a GI pipe. As of now, we are repairing for the damages because it's already 7 years or more, and we need to repair the net, the styro, and also the clamps. First is this tilapiahan, or is only a hobby to rear koi or decorated fish, but I found out that it could be productive if I could raise tilapia. Tilapia is one of the source of food here in General Climaco National High School. Because of experiences, or because of my experience already, I organized a cooperative here in General Climaco, Toledo City called the 4M, or Matinabangong, Matinuoong Mangingisda sa Malubog. At this moment, the fish cage now is already 3 months given by the government, and we do hope that this project could harvest more and grow, supportive, so that we could help people here in Barangay General Climaco. Not only here, but throughout Toledo City. I'm Mr. Kirk Kaparida.
Go girl, girl boss na oy.
Manuha